how to reset free gifts on Temu. Here's how it works. First, load up the Temu app, then click on New, found at the bottom, and then we will choose Play and Earn. Once you click on it, then at the top you will see win your freebie. So you just want to click on it and then win my gifts. And here it's gonna let you choose some gifts. So I'm just gonna do the first ones that I see, and I'll show you how we can reset them. All right, so it's just gonna give us this. You get it for free. All right, great. Just let me get the gift. Okay, so next we're gonna get this one, pick this free gift, and then it's gonna let us get another one, the last one. All right, so once you have received all of your gifts, and if you haven't verified your address, then what you have to do here, if you want to reset them, is to simply click on the trash can icon, or by clicking on the X right here on the specific gift, and that is gonna reset them. And you can do that if you have confirmed your gift as well. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.